Hello everyone, welcome back to Spoke Adda. As winters are around, a chocolate dry fruit cake is a must have in any celebration. Today we are making chocolate cake in a very simple and easy steps. So come on, let's see how to make it. Please do not forget to subscribe to Spoke Adda, and for regular recipe notifications click on the bell icon. So welcome this new year with your own baked cake, and please let us know how does your cake turned out. With this decadent and tasty cake hoping for you all, may the coming year brings a lot of happiness and joy in your life. So that's it for today guys. I hope you find the video useful, and if you do, please let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in my next video. Till then, be happy, spread love, Malo Dakben.